So I put the meter on continuity. Put the probes on each side of the inductor. No continuity. Do have continuity if I put it on the ESC pad. Come to the other side. Nothing. Come over here to the good one. Get continuity. So that tells me the inductor's bad, maybe.